That's amazing. It feels great.
I love breathwork, so it's always nice to see different people and how they do the practice.
They should go to the workshop that Pavel did. It was incredible. It was absolutely incredible. I've never experienced anything like that. It was a mixture of rave and meditation.
As we're learning a lot, so it's nice to just actually get the half an hour to relax.
I'm speaking through immersive experience. My whole thing is about breath, meditation, and movement. And so I'm bringing people back to their center.
I tried Acro Yoga, and that was phenomenal. And I realized that with a wonderful teacher, how easy it is to have a wildly new and healing experience like that. It was amazing.
With Acro Yoga, there's a beautiful practice that's going on between two people as a collaboration, as an exploration. What we like to focus on is the artistic potential of this practice.
I want to go to all the workshops and everything that I can do, get to know all the speakers and the products to really absorb everything.
How we can place a force or load on the body or certain joints and how the cells respond to this, tissue hacks and certain levels of articulation and movement to actually remove pain or to improve function into elite level performance.
I'm really interested in primal movement as well, how movement changes the way your mind and your body works.
Daryl Edwards, who does Primal Play, I did his workshop yesterday. He has a great idea and great service, and when he was speaking, he gets it into plain language but doesn't lose out on the science.